Traders War Room, Traders War Room, we locked and loaded.
What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video, and I got a great one for you. But real quick, I need you to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I need you guys to come along with me on the journey and check that description tab out below, because I got tons of links to all products and services that Traders War Room has to offer. They're all right there to help guide, mentor you into being a better and complete total trader. Now, we have the deal right now. $5 for the first month of Traders War Room. We've never done a deal like this before, offering a whole month right there for $5. Come check us out, try us out, see what the server is like, see why we're better than the other ones, see what a true professional server has in store for you. You can check out the promo link in the description as well. Definitely, we got something truly for everyone, every style and every budget, and I want to see a whole bunch of new faces in that trading floor when the market bell rings. That's why I'm giving it to you guys for $5. You like it, you stay. Price automatically rolls over into the regular price. If it's not for you, or you just want to kind of just pause and take a break and come back later, hey, you get one shot at it, enjoy it, you come back in at the regular price, or you catch it on a discount. So definitely a lot of options, but I want to see a whole bunch of new faces, and I hope you guys take advantage of that, because it's not going to last forever. Now, like I said, we got a great video for you. I got some, stocks picks. I got some charts I'm going to go over. We got troops from the front line. We had a suggestion, so I'm going to highlight one of our TWR market warriors, and we're going to go over some stocks that they asked for. So a very jam-packed video, everything just to get you into shape, ready to attack the market tomorrow, so we can go out there and get those $1,000 trading days. Now, if that sounds good to you, then all I got to say to you is you follow me and the other TWR market warriors, and let's go to war. I'll see you when that market bell rings. Let's go out there and make some money.
Locked and loaded. Locked and loaded. Stop, I'm on it. Hey, you know I'm on that though, man. Y'all, come join it. In the Traders War Room, warring with the market every day. We on Zoom. Never gonna quit. Ain't no way we gonna lose.
I'm using my AI chat today for the narrative of the video. Questions from the front line. So today, I'm highlighting Hong. They asked me about leap options on the following tickers: ENVX, SNAP, and DXCM. Of course, I'm going to look out for my battle buddy, and these stocks will be first tonight. Thanks, Hong. Remember, if you have a question, you can hit me up via DM or text. I'll do my best to cover you in a video. So looking at the stock first, ENVX, you can clearly see on the day we're in a downtrending channel. Now, when we push out, we definitely can see the case for a support bounce. If we want to take a gamble, we could look at leap call options pushing out into 2026. This would give us enough time to allow price action to make it smooth and hopefully create profit from patiently waiting. I also think at this price, if you believe in this stock, it would be a good place to go ahead and nibble into a position. Just expect to hold greater than 6 months to see anything substantial. Next, we will cover SNAP. Now, full disclosure, I own a lot of SNAP shares, so this is one I'm betting on big. Currently, you can see on the day it dropped, and it's consolidated at the bottom. Pushing out, no surprise after the terrible earnings report, we dropped hard. However, we have been holding the bottom. So while we may never see the $70 price range like we did during the pandemic, I still think under $10. This is worth a speculative addition into your portfolio in small chunks. This gives us a perfect opportunity in option trading to do what is commonly known as the ghetto spread. Now, there's many ways to do this, but the most simplest is just to buy a leap option and a leap put option. The key is to ensure that you stay at the money and they both have volume and open interest. For the call option, I would go with the $10 pushing out into 2026. For the put option, I would go with the $8 pushing into 2026. Now, both of these are rather expensive, but here's the kicker: one of these is going to make money. If not both, SNAP will push above $20 or become a penny stock inside 2 years. So the risk is worth the reward on this. This one is probably the hardest to bet on. DXCM is known for its diabetes and medical device technology, but as of lately, it's had trouble finding new avenues of approach for profitability. However, it's an important company and has been much higher than it is currently by almost 50%. When you look at the stat sheet, you can see 52-week high of $142 and the low of about $62. Now, this is where the strategy comes in, because a lot of people are betting on this thing pushing in the future, so premiums are juiced. That means you either have to go out the money to stay in a particular range of price, or you have to pay the piper to get the contract. So this is a little risky of a trade. And of course it's after hours, so the volume on the day is zeroed out. But doing a little statistical math, this contract could work push just under a 200% move from current price. Alright, that is it for our questions from the front line. Don't forget, if you got questions that you want answered, or charts broken down with perspective, hit me up and let me know. I got you covered to the best of my ability. Now, let's get on to my picks for tomorrow and to close out this week. So first up is the spider. You cannot help looking at this stock and pushing out a little bit and just be a bull. Yes, there's a bear case scenario, but with everything that's happening, it seems as though the market wants to continue the climb. Don't fight the trend, but rather ride it. So I'm looking at calls. Next up is the Russell. Holding the lower level and consolidating, I like small stocks for the bounce. Pushing out, you can see we have room to run, and as the market gets more greedy and less fearful, speculative trades and investments become more and more. So I like this for continuation to the upside. Cisco had a fantastic push after hours from a great report. They gave some excellent forward guidance, and their numbers were not too shabby. This is an old school aristocratic type of stock and doesn't move very sharply very often. But when it does, you pay attention and you definitely ride the train. How long have I been beating this stock into your head? Nike was due for the push, and it wasn't a question of if but rather a question of when. Well, when now happened after hours, and I'm hoping for continuation because of a big stake from Pershing. This is the type of news that Nike needs so that we can go re-attack those $100 levels. I like American Express. The saying holds true, don't leave home without it. And this thing will leave you if you don't hop on the train. I think this push is hard, and we will see those $265 areas sooner than later. Finally, I'm going to give you Walmart, and this thing is really accelerating in after-hours trading. This thing could easily push into the $70 range, and that is what I am betting on as long as the market holds strong and we don't see a knee-jerk reaction from some fearful selling pressure. I lied. I am going to give you two more, but I'm only going to give you the idea and leave it up to you to look at the chart and decide what made me come to this conclusion. First one is Amazon, and I like the $185 call that's pushed until August 30th. The next one I like is Tesla, and I'm thinking the $210 call expiring at the end of this week could be a fun gamble if we get some acceleration. Alright, that's all I got for you tonight, team. I hope you got some decent trade ideas that you can take and go attack the market tomorrow and the rest of this week. There's potential out there to make huge money, but it's our job to find the opportunities that are presenting themselves and taking advantage of those situations. I give you good stuff for free, but if you want the great stuff, you know, that real-time, entry and exit type of fire, you gotta join the team and become a trader's war room market warrior. Right now I have a fantastic deal where I'm offering the first month at $5. If you love what we do and you decide you want to stay, then it just automatically rolls over into regular price at the end of the month. However, you can always cancel at any time 24/7 if you decide not to continue. So quit wasting money that's not making money. Join a team that is made of true professionals that actually teach you how to make money from trading the stock market. The link is in the description, and I'll see you when that mark of bell rings. And remember, let's go to war together.
In the traders war room, warring with the market every day, we on Zoom. Never gon' quit, ain't no way we gon' lose. I done made a profit and it's way before noon. Way to go, dude, come and learn how to trade stocks.